Yeah! Dark Soulsing it up again. It's a Dark Soulsian sojourn.
I'm dead! I'm dead! Stay back!
10-4. Oh yeah, something else I noticed yesterday was you could really hear the clicking and stuff. So I'm going to try to be more discreet. I can't hear it because I have sound cancelling headphones, but apparently I play really loudly. This guy seriously named himself Dark Souls. Ah, shit. Well, time to run away. Not good enough. What? Oh. Can hit like a truck, but it's hard to balance two people at once. Alright. 80. Let's take these 80 ladies. Try backstepping, woman. That was a cluster you know what. Oh, while I'm thinking about it, I don't know why the audio drops out. It's always, playing for me. Oh, hell. Dan board. I'm on board with Dan board. I'll give him a chance. Not you, though. Well, shit balls. Hump the wall like Doom. It's right here, dude. Doom wall humping. It's right here. Hump the wall. Hump the wall. Wow. Sorry, buddy. That's awesome. Later, dude. Well, that's creepy. Hello again.
You wish to go for the prince?
You convinced me, little crazy man. I'm in. How the hell did that happen? No! Fuck. That was a pretty cool death animation, though. I was all tumbling and then the camera flips up. Tragic, man. Tragic. Alright, here we go. See if I can do it. Are you fucking kidding me? This is gonna be pretty hard. I never had to do it with a strictly melee character. Or at least one that wasn't well overpowered and I was nearly one-shotting them. Freaking awesome. How the hell did you dodge that? Holy poops. Well, I got all those souls. I don't know how many there were, but there they go. Frittered about like a butt. Alright, can I die, please? It's not stuck here, is it? Wow. Oh, thank goodness. No, ghosty poops. You are my one true friend. Later, dude. I wonder if that's going to become a running theme. Yep. Ah. It's valiant effort. Holy crap, what's wrong with his arm? Never noticed that before. So what's going on? Got the Sinner's Mask, I see. Or no, it's a turtle helmet. Apologies. I don't know if you can hear me, because I have voice chat restricted. But you're about to leave, aren't you? So, see ya, man. Lol. Yeah, now. Hello. Shit. Man, what the hell? Thanks for the warning, dicks. Can I finally fucking heal, please? Thank you. Oh, great. Alright, let's hit it. Never noticed what a huge opening my broadsword left before. Of course it has. That was not honorable. Hey, I will happily take a Titanite chunk, though. Holy crap, that guy had a lot of souls. Sorry, Rog. Time you learned about poise. Are you kidding me? Well fought, sir. You got a freebie, Drassian. Damn, boy. Looking fine. Alright, finally. Are you kidding me? Just one. You fought well, but sometimes you can't take a buster sword to the back. Hey, dude. Would you like to make out? No? Alright. Sorry, man. You were doomed from the start. Anna. Hello. I like your fancy chapeau. If I didn't like this so much. Don't you hate when healing is your downfall? Good fight, man. Ah. Dog. I suppose I could take the ring off, but... It was a good fight. Hello, Theon. How you doing? Good. Sweet beard. Oh, wait. Do it on my... Wait, I'm a girl. Never mind. Trakes. Wow. That was fast. Won't say no to that. I am really glad that guy. Nicely done. Fuck. Well, he's dead. Alright. Gonna need you on this one. Pretty hard. Thank you. I don't suppose you have more of those on hand, do you? Nope. I need her. Luna, my friend. Shit. Fire. Luna, that was 100% you. 100%. Well, obviously not because I was there, but you did like 75 to 80%. So you did a lot. Yay! Alright. I'm walking down this long and lonesome road. I guess it's the only road I've ever known. I hope you guys have been entertained by this. Because I sure as hell am. Anyways, I'll catch you next time. I'm going to take care of some of the faffing about and I guess I'll make the video. That doesn't make any sense. Anyway, catch you on the flip. Bye.